Edvard Munch was a Norwegian painter born on December 12th, 1863. He was a Norwegian painter and printmaker who often created psychological themes in his artwork. He also brought up themes concerning love, anguish, despair, and death in his art. He was an incredible expressionist artist, as he could beautifully execute his ideas in his incredibly skilled and technically incredible art. One of his most famous examples, and definitely most recognizable artwork, is called The Scream. It is famous not only because of its incredible technical detail, but also the message behind it. The emphasis is the person screaming in the painting, which symbolizes psychological human problems that people deal with on a daily basis. Anxiety, stress, nervousness, and other issues are all addressed in the piece. The Scream is easily considered an expressionist artwork because of its symbolic nature of it, and how such powerful emotions and moods can be drawn out from the viewers. It is also interesting and not surprising that Edvard Munch was struggling with mental illness and trauma at the same time of creating this piece. The colors of the sunset and the ocean as the subordination are very lively and beautiful. The different shades and hues of orange and blue create a beautiful background. The brown colors of the dock contrast the scenery behind it nicely, giving the art unity. You will notice that the colors swirl in an almost claustrophobic kind of way. People with mental illness often see the world closing in on them. There are implied lines in the artwork as the screamer is looking straight at the viewer. He is most likely screaming for help, and as he looks at the viewer can feel a sense of urgency. You can see in the screamer's face how distraught he is. As a viewer, myself, looking at the screamer, I can tell that I can just want to help him a lot.